video I'm going to give you a walkthrough of what you can see and do in the task module. So when you open the task module, it's going to open to display the boards that you're a member of, and they're categorized by personal boards, and these are boards that are created manually on the platform, and you can do that by add new task board. You can add the task board title, add any members and a due date. So this is great for building projects and incorporating people and collaborating with people on projects. Goal task boards, any goal that's created on the platform, a task board is created so you can build out your project plan of tasks to achieve your goals. And collaborations is a mix of goal boards that you're collaborating on and personal boards that you're a member of. By clicking the More button on the board, we get to see a bit more information. So the due date, if it's there, all the members of that board, and then any activities that have been going on that board. To view a list of your tasks, you can click the View Task List. Now this has loaded my task list, all tasks that are in progress at the moment, and we can sort these by board. And just update this, so we're updating the status now. So now you can see I'm viewing all my road-blocked tasks, and if I click the task board sort, you can see we've now sorted by alphabetical order and reverse. We can sort by due date and reverse. We can complete the task by clicking the complete button. We want to view the task list of, say, the members of your team. We're going to go to the executive team, and you can see there what a task for Fitzroy has just dropped in. Back to all. So this is my task. I can edit these tasks by clicking the edit button, making any changes and Xing out. Going back to the board list, I'm going to open a board. Now we can see the tasks that are on this board. So we can add a new task by clicking the plus, adding a task and add. That will add it into this swim lane, or this task with a status of backlog. We can also, clicking the More button, we can add a new task from here. Or we can move a list of tasks. We can copy a list of tasks. We can sort. So by list, if I click move, for instance, I've selected, this is the list I'm going to move. I'm going to click the select. So I've selected these two tasks, and they're the tasks I want to move. I want to move both of them into in progress, and I'm going to position them at the top of the list and click move. So you now see these two tasks drop into the top of the list over here. Now, if I wanted to copy, I would go through the same process. So I'd select the tasks that I want to copy. I would then choose the board I want to copy them to, the status I want to copy them to, and the position, whether it be top or bottom. So that's a copy. I can select all by toggling over to select all. Otherwise, I'm just going to select a couple, and clicking copy will copy those across to that board. And the other feature here is the sort feature. So I'm just going to click sort, and I just want to sort alphabetically. So clicking it alphabetically, we've just sorted the task into alphabetical order. Now, we can sort these further just by drag and drop, for example, to whichever position we want them to be in. Now, in the task itself, we can see that there's been some activity or some chat on this task, because we can see the chat bubble. In this task, there's been a task list. We can see that because we can see the list icon. Clicking more, we can access the edit task, copy task, or delete task actions. We want to edit the task, we're going to come in here. So we can see there's some activity here. I'm going to add a checklist here. So I'm just going to check one and return. So we're starting to build a checklist out for this task here, clicking out of it here. So now we can see that there's a checklist on this task. As well as being able to drag and drop to sort, we can also drag and drop to different priorities across the task board. So now up in the board controls here, so clicking the More button is going to show us more information about the board. So again, the title, the board members, any activity that's been going on. In the charts, we can see these tasks laid over time. So when they're due in, their start and due date. over time. We can add a new task here. See, we need to specify the status so it goes to the right lane, and then to close a board out, I'll just X out of that. So at a high level, that's your task board